Video lecture by N. Markandeya, lecturer in chemistry, MBS Government Arts and Science College, Mahabubnagar, Department of Chemistry. Topic is adiabatic process in ideal gases. Adiabatic process in ideal gases, 7th paper, 6th semester. See here adiabatic expansion of an ideal gases. See here, so the process carried in a vessel whose walls are perfectly insulated so that no heat can pass through them is said to be adiabatic. A process carried in a vessel whose walls are perfectly insulated so that no heat can pass through them, so is said to be a adiabatic process. In such a process, there is no heat exchange between system and surroundings. In adiabatic process, there is no heat exchanged between system and surroundings. In adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. In adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. So according to first law of thermodynamics, the mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics is equal to del E plus W. In adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0. So therefore del E plus W. So from here del E is equal to minus W. So in W is equal to minus P into del V. P into del V. So according to this, here del E is equal to so minus W. That means since the work done in expense, work done at the expense of internal energy, the internal energy decreases and the temperature falls. So in adiabatic process, the gas expansion takes place, the utilization of internal energy, So in the internal energy decreases, and the internal energy decreases, the temperature also decreases, because the temperature associated with the internal energy, or internal energy associated with the temperature. If the internal energy decreases, automatically temperature also decreases. So here consider 1 mole of an ideal gas at pressure P and a volume V. For an infinitesimally increase in volume dV at pressure P, the work done by the gas is minus P into dV. The internal energy decreases by dE. So according to first law of thermodynamics, here dE is equal to minus P dV. Okay, that is okay. Next, by definition of molar heat capacity at constant value. So we know already derived this equation, dV is equal to CV is equal to dE by dt. CV means molar heat capacity at a constant value, that is ratio of dE by dt. From this, so we can write dE is equal to CV into dt. So therefore by definition of molar heat capacity constant value, so here dE is equal to CV into dP. We can substitute this in the equation, this equation. So therefore dE is equal to CV into dt minus P dV. So we know the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT for 1 mole gas. According to that, P is equal to RT by V. This P value substituted in this equation. So therefore this equation will be CV dt is equal to minus RT dV by V. So from here CV, we can same variations bring the same side. Cv dt by t is equal to minus R dV by V. So this equation we can integration between temperature T1 T2 and volume V1 V2. So okay, this equation we can integrate. So in the variables T1 T2 and volume V1 V2. See here this integrating between T1 T2 and so V1 V2 and considering Cv to be constant and considering Cv to be constant. Here Cv integration of T1 T2 dt by t is equal to minus R also constant, integration of V1 V2. This temperature integration between T1 T2 and volume integration V1 V2. Then we can get Cv is equal to ln T2 by T1. So here the mathematical equation. So integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x. This is the mathematical equation. According to this mathematical equation, this equation, so we can write Cn ln T2 by T1 is equal to minus R ln V2 by V1. Okay. So Cv ln T2 by T1, so minus R ln V2 by V1. So we know the derivation Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This equation may be written as in the place of R, So that means here, so ln T2 by T1 is equal to minus Cv plus Cv is equal to Cp minus Cv by this Cv will come this side, then that will get Cp minus Cv by Cv ln V2 by V1. So the ratio of Cp by Cv is often written as gamma. So here the ratio of Cp by Cv, is equal to gamma. So then this equation we can write ln T2 by T1 minus, so idamayitadi Cp by Cv minus Cv by Cv into ln V2 by V1. Here Cp by Cv is equal to gamma, Cv by Cv is equal to 1. So therefore this equation will be like this: ln T2 by T1 is equal to minus gamma minus 1 ln V2 by V1. Here see, replacing negative sign by inverting V2 by V1 to V1 by V2. So replacing negative sign by inverting V2 by V1 to V1 by V2 and take anti-logarithm. Then this equation, so we'll get this T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2, so the whole to the power of gamma minus 1. Here ln x to the power of n is equal to n into, so ln x, ln x. According to this equation we can write this mathematical equation. So in that mathematical equation, here T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 gamma minus 1. See here, from here we can put the cross multiplication. T2 V2 gamma minus 1 is equal to, so T1 V1 gamma minus 1. Okay, we can get this equation. So from this we can write Tv gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Tv minus gamma is equal to constant. So this is the relation between temperature and volume in adiabatic process. Okay, this is the TV gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. So this is the relation between temperature and volume in adiabatic process. So here from this we can derive the so many derivations. So we can also eliminate the temperature by making use the ideal gas relationship. So what is the ideal gas relationship? PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT. So from here we can write the P1 V1 is equal to RT1. So P2 V2 is equal to RT2. From here, so T2 by T1 is equal to, we can write, so P2 by V2 by P1 V1. So from ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. From this equation we can write P1 V1 is equal to RT1. This is first equation. So P2 V2 is equal to RT2. This is second equation. So in the second by third we can get the T2 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by P1 V1. This T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by V2 by P1 by V1. We can substitute in this place. Here P2 by P1 is equal to, see here in this place, T2 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by, see here P2 V2 by P1 V1 is equal to V1 by V2 gamma minus 1. We can substitute in this equation. This T1 by T2 substitute in this equation. Then we can get the cross multiplication. So that means P2 by P1 is equal to, so V1 here V1, so V1 plus 1 minus half mutually cancel. So therefore we can get the V1 V2 by gamma, V1 V2 by gamma. So again this will be make a cross multiplication. We can get P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma. P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma. So from this we can write the PV gamma is equal to constant. PV gamma is equal to constant. So this is the relationship between the pressure and volume. Pressure and volume in adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, PV gamma is equal to constant. So this is the relation. The comparison between isothermal and adiabatic expansion. So Boyle's law describes pressure volume relation of an ideal gas under isothermal condition. Isothermal means temperature is constant. This is similar to the relation derived from adiabatic expansion. So in isothermal process PV is equal to constant. So in according to Boyle's law, according to this law PV gamma constant for adiabatic expansion. Adiabatic expansion. So gamma for an ideal monoatomic gas is 1.67. The difference between the two processes. See here, in an isothermal process temperature of a system remains constant, while in the adiabatic process temperature must change. Okay, explanation. In an isothermal process heat is observed to make up for the work done by the gas and expansion, and the temperature remains unchanged. In isothermal process temperature remains constant, but for expansion they can absorb the heat. So heat does not constant in isothermal process, only temperature can constant in isothermal process. On the other hand, adiabatic expansion takes place at the expense of internal energy, which decrease and the temperature falls. Further, the same reason the curve for the adiabatic process is stepper than for the isothermal process. See here, this is the curve between the P and V. So comparison of isothermal process and adiabatic process. This is the curve for the isothermal process. So PV is equal to constant. This is the adiabatic curve, PV gamma is equal to constant. So this is always step down than the isothermal process. Next, work done in adiabatic reversible expansion. Step 1, value of VDP from adiabatic expansion. So here for the adiabatic process, PV gamma is equal to constant. So differentiating it, we have gamma PV gamma minus 1 dV plus V gamma dP. So dividing by V gamma minus 1, we can get gamma P dV plus VDP is equal to 0. Here VDP is equal to minus gamma P dV. So here VDP. Step 2, value of VDP from ideal gas equation. 1 mole of ideal gas equation is PV is equal to RT. So complete differentiate gives P, first P constant, then differentiate of V is equal to dV plus next V constant, differentiating of V is equal to P is equal to dP is equal to R constant, differentiating T is equal to dt. Okay, from here VDP is equal to RT minus P dV. Here VDP is equal to, so we can get the minus gamma P dV. Here also same, first gamma P constant, so V gamma minus 1, next to V gamma constant, then dP. Like that we can get the VDP. So from equation this and this, we can get the R dt minus P dV is equal to minus gamma P dV. From here, so R dt is equal to, both P is common, so P into 1 minus gamma minus dV, we can get P dV is equal to R dt. dV, here dV goes this side, dt come this side. P dV is equal to R dt by gamma minus 1 minus gamma. So there are n moles gas, P dV is equal to nR dt by 1 minus gamma. This is the work value. So this integration from T1 V1 to T2 V2 with gamma constant. See here V maximum is equal to P into, so V2 minus V1 in adiabatic process. From here, so T1 T2 nR dt 1 minus gamma, nR constant, and dt means T2 minus T1 1 minus gamma. So where T2 greater than T1, V maximum is negative because 1 minus gamma is negative. This means that work is done on the gas. On the other hand, when T2 less than T1, gamma W maximum is positive, which means that work is done by the gas. If work maximum is negative, the work done on the gas. So if the W maximum is positive, that means the work done by the gas. This is the adiabatic process for 1 mole gas. So this is the first relation in adiabatic expansion. See here d delta E is equal to minus W. So we know so Cv is equal to dt by dP. From this equation we can get this equation. So for ideal gas equation, P is equal to RT by V. So according to this, we can get this equation integrating through variations T1 T2 and v1 v2, we can get this equation. Here we can write the, in the place of r, we can write the Cp minus Cv, Cp minus Cv. So the ratio Cp to Cv is often written as a gamma. From this, gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. From this equation, ln T2 by T1 is equal to minus gamma minus 1 ln V2 by V1. So from this, finally we get the Tv gamma is equal to constant. Tv gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Okay. This is the relation between temperature and volume in adiabatic process. Okay. Next. So from the ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT, we can get the relation between temperature and pressure. This T2 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by P1 V1. So in the place of T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 gamma minus 1, we can substitute this equation. We will get this equation. Only. So then P2 by P1 is equal to, so V1 by V2 gamma. So from cross multiplication, we can get the P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma. From this we can write PV gamma is equal to K. PV gamma is equal to K. This is the relation between pressure and volume. This is relation between pressure and temperature. Volume and temperature. Okay, this is the adiabatic relations. Comparison between the isothermal and adiabatic. So adiabatic process is lower than the isothermal process. The graph between pressure and volume. The adiabatic pressure somewhat stepper than the isothermal process. These are the work done in adiabatic reversible process. We can take the relation between pressure and volume. So PV gamma is equal to constant. So this is differentiating. So we have get the VdP is equal to minus gamma PdV. For 1 mole ideal gas, PV is equal to RT. From this, we can differentiating. We can get this relation. From this relation we can write like this. From this, we can get the PdV is equal to nR dt by 1 minus gamma. This equation integrating from T1 V1 T2 V2 with gamma constant. Finally, we can get this relation.